Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Dan Sreyoun is going to present you about expressions of quantity. Hi everyone. Count and uncount nouns. 1. It is important to understand the difference between count and uncount nouns. Count nouns. For example, a cup, a girl, an apple, an egg, and a pound. Uncount nouns. For example, water, sugar, milk, music and money. We can say 3 cups, 2 girls, 10 pounds. We can count them. We cannot say 2 waters, 3 musics, 1 money. We cannot count them. 2. Count nouns can be singular or plural. For example, this cup is full. These cups are empty. Uncount nouns can only be singular. For example, the water is cold. The weather was terrible. Hi everyone. Much and many. 1. We use much with uncount nouns in questions and negatives. For example, how much money have you got? There isn't much milk left. 2. We use many with count nouns in questions and negatives. For example, how many people were at the party? I didn't take many photos on holiday. Hi everyone. Some and any. 1. Some is used in positive sentences. For example, I'd like some sugar. 2. Any is used in questions and negatives. For example, is there any sugar in this tea? Have you got any brothers and sisters? We don't have any washing up liquid. I didn't buy any apples. 3. We use some in questions that are requests or offers. For example, can I have some cake? Would you like some tea? 4. The rules are the same for someone, anything, anybody, somewhere, etc. For example, I've got something for you. Hello, is anybody here? There isn't anywhere to go in my town.
Hi everyone. A few and a little. 1. We use a few with count nouns. For example, there are a few biscuits left, but not many. 2. We use a little with uncount nouns. For example, I only have a little time. Hi everyone. A lot or lots of. 1. We use a lot or lots of with both count and uncount nouns. For example, there's a lot of butter. I've got lots of friends. 2. A lot or lots of can be used in questions and negatives. For example, are there lots of tourists in your country? There isn't a lot of butter, but there's enough.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.